to a Casa das Linguas. Everything is ready to make our delicious cookies, our traditional Easter cookies. But first, do you know what we have to do? Yes, exactly. We need to wash our hands. So let's go and do that first. Come on, follow me. We must wash our hands before cooking, and for that we need soap and water. Are you ready? So we need a little bit of soap, water, and we say, this is the way I wash my hands, wash my hands, wash my hands. This is the way I wash my hands, wash, wash, wash. Very well, rub your hands. This is the way I wash my hands, wash my hands, wash my hands. This is the way I wash my hands, wash, wash, wash. Now, we need to dry our hands, and we say, this is the way I dry my hands, dry my hands, dry my hands. This is the way I dry my hands, dry my hands. Very good. Let's put the towel away, and now we are ready to make our delicious cookies. Let's go with me. Come on. We are back and we are ready to make these delicious cookies. So our hands are clean. Are your hands clean? Let me see. Very good, you guys. So let's start. We need the recipe. The first thing we need is a recipe to know which ingredients we're gonna use and also the instructions that must be followed. Then we need some kitchen items like the bowl, a teaspoon, a rolling pin, baking paper, a tray, and very important, some cookie cutters or cookie shapes, and we have them for Easter. So we have a bunny, an Easter egg, and a chick. Very good. So let's start. So the first thing we need are the ingredients, and let's start with the butter. So where is the butter? Can you spot the butter? There we go. That's the butter. So we're going to put the butter in the bowl. Very good. After this, we need the sugar. Where is the sugar? Cane sugar. There we go. This is sugar, and we need to add sugar. Just pay attention to the recipe to know the amount of ingredients you need. Then after that, we have the flour. So where is the flour? Tell me. Stop. There we go. That's the flour. And we're going to add flour. Good job. Now we need eggs. And we have it here. So we crack the egg. And we add the egg. Very good. What else do we need? We need baking powder. So we need 3 spoons, and we need to get our spoon. Let's count along with me. So 1, 2, and 3. Great. So let's put this away. And what else do we need? To make it smell yummy. So we need the vanilla, and that is just 1 teaspoon. So we get the spoon again, and we go 1 teaspoon. There we go. We put this away, and finally a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. There we go. Fantastic. And now we have to mix very well until we have a dough, right? And we say, this is the way I make the dough, make the dough, make the dough. This is the way I make the dough, make the dough. Ta-da! We have the dough. It's ready. Now comes a very interesting part. Very good, you guys. So now I get the dough in my hands. I put the bowl aside, and now let's get the flour. We're going to sprinkle the flour on the table. So there we go. Very good. So let's sprinkle. And now we put our dough on the table. And let's get our rolling pin, and it's time for us to roll the dough. So what are we going to do? We're going to roll the dough and we're going to sing, "This is the way I roll the dough, roll the dough, roll the dough. This is the way I roll the dough, roll the dough. This is the way I roll the dough, roll the dough, roll the dough. This is the way I roll the dough, roll the dough." What are we doing, guys? We are rolling the dough. We're rolling the dough and now it's ready. So we put the rolling pin aside and we check. Yes. Now what do we need? We need our cookie cutters or cookie shapes. Let's start with the bunny. So we put the bunny. I get a cookie cutter. I put it on the dough. I press it. I shake it a bit. And then I have a cookie, an Easter cookie. There we go. And we must be careful with the thickness. Look, because if it is very thin, it's gonna burn. Look at this one. This is gonna burn because it's very thin. It must be this way. So let's put it on the tray. And we already have one. So let's keep doing. Now, I have a chick. Let's put it on the dough. Let's press it. Let's shake it. And then we have a, very good, we have a cookie. And it's a pretty chick. Very good, guys. Now we have an Easter egg. There we go. We put it on the dough. We press it. We shake it, and then our yummy cookie is ready. There we go. We put it on the tray. Very good. Now let's continue. We can make more cookies. Let's go with the bunny. Let's go with the bunny one more time. This is the way I make cookies, cookies, make cookies. This is the way I make cookies, make cookies. This is the way I make cookies, make cookies, make cookies. This is the way I make cookies, Easter cookies. Very good. And now we have the chick again. So we put it on the dough. We press it, we shake it, and then we have a cookie. Fantastic! And we still have room for another one. So let's try this one. Yeah, fantastic! So I put it on the dough, I press it, I shake it, and I have 7 cookies. Good job, guys. Very good. Now we take the leftover. And you at home can continue doing this with the dough. You make a ball again. Then make a ball this way. And then you keep rolling. Our cookies are almost ready. What do we need now, guys? I think you know. Yes, we need to decorate them. And in order to do that, we need sprinkles. So we have them in this little bowl. And we get some and we start singing. And we say, this is the way we decorate, decorate, decorate. This is the way we decorate our Easter cookies. This is the way we decorate, decorate, decorate. This is the way we decorate our Easter cookies. What are we doing, guys? We are decorating the Easter cookies or biscuits. Okay, we put this away. And now we have to bake them. Let's go to the kitchen. Follow me. Let's go. We are here in the kitchen and it's time to bake our cookies. So remember, be careful with the oven and you need to preheat your oven. Be careful with that. 180 degrees is fine. So let's open. Watch out. Always with mommy or daddy's help. We put it in and we close it. And now we have to wait for 15 or 20 minutes. Be patient, guys, because we're going to have delicious cookies. Well, the cookies are in the kitchen, in the oven. We're baking them. So now we have to clean up this mess. So let's put things away. You help me, guys. So let's put everything in here. The spoon, the sprinkles, the cookie cutters. We put them here because we're going to take them to the kitchen. And now let's get a rag and let's clean. And we say clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up, clean up, clean up. Put your things away. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up, clean up, clean up. Put your things away. And now let's go to the kitchen and we're going to take a look at our cookies, which are ready, I guess. Look, children, the cookies are ready. We have 2 Easter eggs, 1 Easter bunny, 1 cake, and 4 yummy Easter eggs. I hope to enjoy it. Happy Easter, everybody!